Hi guys, this is Rahul Prajapati. I welcome you all for the morning market brief. So let's start the analysis with SGX Nifty first. तो अगर SGX में देखें तो एक फ्लैट ओपनिंग है मार्केट में, कोई ज्यादा चेंज नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. ओके, सो मार्केट ट्रेडिंग है 16,246, 240, 250 राइट. निफ्टी का अगर हम चार्ट देखें यहाँ पर तो the previous support that is around 15,700 मार्केट ने वहीं से सपोर्ट लिया है. मार्केट वेंट अप and it's closed above 16,000. okay, now यहाँ से अगर हम देखें तो 16,500 के आसपास का हमको एक रेजिस्टेंस दिखता है and 16,000 will be a good support for Nifty right now. जो ओपन इंटरेस्ट में अगर हम यहाँ पे चेक करें तो this move is only because of yesterday we have a short covering move. okay, simply we can see that there are a lot of unwinding happened yesterday in 16,000 call option, 6,100 and the highest call option right now is at 16,500. तो ये हमारे लिए एक रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. सपोर्ट 16,000 पे काफी अच्छा एडिशन हुआ है पुट के अंदर. 60 लाख में से ऑलमोस्ट 45 कल ही ऐड हुआ, सो दैट्स अ गुड एडिशन. सो 16,000 का एक बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट बन गया मार्केट में. अगर डिप भी आता है मार्केट में तो वी कैन लुक फॉर स्टिल बाइंग एट दीज लेवल्स अराउंड. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट निफ्टी. लेट्स गो टू द बैंक निफ्टी. okay, now if we see bank nifty, 33,000 is a good support, okay, where we have seen yesterday also, and market went up, so it closed above 34,000 now. So on the higher side we can still look for 34,500 as an immediate resistance and then 35,000. so here we have seen a gap down opening. So this was a this gap is kind of a resistance we are facing here. okay, bank nifty. Okay, so bank nifty 2 days of short covering clearly. okay, so we are not seeing a good buying actually. This is just because of short covering happening in the both indices right now. okay, we need a good buying to just confirm this move that okay, this is this happening right now. okay, coming back to if you see on the higher side 34,500 and 34,000 is a good support, and on the high side we can still look for 35,000 and then 35,500 if market turns out to be bullish, right? We see the contribution yesterday. So you can see oil has added a good contribution, and then private banks, and then IT. Right? Okay. Short में कुछ भी नहीं है. It's all on the long side yesterday. Then we are coming back to. So the first stock that we have is today Ashok Leyland. So if we see that we have seen a good buying coming up in Ashok Leyland again, it's a good correction, and then around 115 level, the stock has shown a good buying again. If go to the Ashok Leyland chart, so simply you can see that around this level we had a good support and market went up. So right now 130 is a good resistance for the stock. If that breaks, the stock can move to at least 140, 145 levels on the higher side. 125 and 120 would be good support for this stock, right? And so you can see there was a small unwinding also happening at 130 call option. okay, and 125 and 120 would be good support. So that's the analysis on Ashok Leyland. The second stock is Coromandel. okay, so Coromandel gave a breakout yesterday. okay, so that's a good breakout happened with a good long multiple. Now any dip again back towards 920, 930 could be a good buying opportunity in the stock, and the stock is trading near exactly the the resistance level, that resistance from the OI. If I show you here, okay, so if you see the Coromandel, you can see that exactly trading at resistance, and good addition happened. That breaks, so it can move to 1,000 rupees very easily. 900 is a good support for this stock, right? So That's the analysis on this. Simply. And if you see that breakout comes with a huge long build up yesterday. Okay, so that addition is very high. So if you see that addition breakout, it's coming with a huge volume, right? So that's good breakout. Okay. So on any dip we will buy on a breakout of 950, we'll again buy this stock. Okay, so that's look good. Fine. Okay, let's go and check the ban list. So 3 stocks: GNFC, Indiabulls Housing Finance, and BNP. So 16,000, 16,500 on the higher side, 15,800 is a good support. And 16,500 is on the higher side, 16,000 and 15,800 could be a good support. 34,500 is a resistance, and above that we can see 35 and 35,500. 34 is a good support for Bank Nifty, right? Oil, private banks, and IT, good long built up. No short built up specifically. Ashok Leyland looks good. So 130 is a resistance, and that breaks, so we can see the stock moving above around 145 to 150, right? And 120 is a good support. Coromandel is trading exactly at resistance of 950, breaks, so it can move to 1,000 rupees very easily. 900 is a good support for Coromandel. Ban list: JNFC, Indiabulls Housing Finance, and so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.